Hello Panthers, this is Dr. Hobbolt and I'm going to help you with this problem. It says, Jada has a monthly budget for her cell phone bill. Last month she spent 120% of her budget and the bill was $60. What is Jada's monthly budget? Okay, so the first thing we want to think about is, obviously she went over her budget. She spent more than 100%. So in the end, we're expecting that since she spent $60 and that was more than her budget, when we calculate our answer, do you think we should get something more or less than $60? The budget should be less than $60 because when she spent $60, she went over budget, spending 120%. So at the end, we're going to kind of use that to check our answer to see if it makes sense. Okay, so if she spent 120% of the budget, so Jada spent 120% of the budget, which really means she spent an extra, how much over 100% did she go? 120%, that's how much more than 100%? She spent an extra 20%. So why don't we try to figure out what that 20% would look like? So how many groups of 20%? So how many groups of 20% are in 120%? Let's count by 20s. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. So there's 6 groups of 20% and 120%. So let's break her bill into 6 groups. So I'm going to set up my tape diagram with my 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I know I'm making them kind of big, but it's just so I have room to write in them. So let me zoom in. Okay, so each of these blocks represents 20% of her budget, because she spent 120% of the budget. So 120% of budget. And how much money was that? She spent $60. So we have $60 total that we broke into 10 equal groups. So how many things are in each group? How many dollars in each group? 60 divided by 6, that's going to be 10. So we know that we have $10 in each of these groups. So to figure out what Jada's monthly budget was, we should look at what's 100% of her budget. So 100% would be this much. So that's 100% of the budget. And then this extra part to the side, that's extra, or past the budget. So what was her monthly budget? We see 10, 20, 30, 40, $50. So her monthly budget, Jada's monthly budget was $50. Alright, so thanks so much for working this problem with me, and I hope it'll help you be successful.